JavaScript, the water of programming languages. You put it on the front end and it becomes the front end. You put it on the back end and it becomes the back end. It's well known for its versatility from web development to machine learning in the browser. I'm here to tell you that if you're a developer that only knows JavaScript, you can build on Solana. After all, Solana is technically just another backend. Let's start with what stays the same. You'll still be building traditional apps, web apps, mobile apps, and other kinds of apps. And you'll continue using your favorite tools, be that VS Code or even notepad.txt. So what changes? Two main things, authentication and your backend. On Solana, instead of using JWTs and OAuth, you'll be interacting with something called wallets. These are usually browser extensions, and their role is to secure users' credentials and verify their interactions with your apps. Think of your app like a kitchen that makes stuff. Wallets are like the waiters that let you interact with the user. Wallets and their interactions are quite well documented, and there's official adapter libraries that let you plug and play so you don't have to build anything off your own. The easiest way to get started is using the dapp-scaffold. Simply clone the repo, hit npm I, and you're good to go. Reading is almost identical to a regular database backend. You set up a connection, define what you want to read, and you send out API requests. Writing, on the other hand, is a bit different. On traditional backends, you likely pay per million requests. On Solana, you pay per write, or transaction. The fees of a transaction are made up of two main parts, a static base fee that's the same for all writes, and a compute fee based on how many resources your transaction takes up. Here's what that looks like in action. To get started, we'll import the Solana Web3.js and wallet adapter libraries. These have hooks that let us easily set up a network connection and interact with the user's wallet extension. Common transactions are built into the SDK, so you don't have to do any fee calculations. All we're doing here is declaring who's paying for the transaction, who we're transferring to, and how much. We can now send this transaction, which gives us the signature, and we can use that to confirm that it was added to the network. Congratulations, you now have a button that sends money to a random address. You're ready to make apps on Solana. There's plenty of templates and scaffolds to get started with. The most popular is the Next scaffold, and there's a bunch of others on Soldev. There's also a grants program to help you take your app to the next level. Now go out there and make something.